usevele wambopha ubaba wakhe emva kwalesa sibhaxo sa-Friday. Yabona iy'ngane mangabe lingashawa, lezi ngane lezi ey'ngashawa, lo mayiqala ukubona ukushawa usevele waye emaphoyiseni wabona amaphoyisa wathi ngiyakubopha for ukungishaya. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on iTonga from the 31st of March to the 4th of April 2025 on Monday. Mantuli can't quite believe what her eyes tells her, and Pinda get ahead of himself again on Tuesday. Zama manipulate Bablo into making Sanele an offer he can't refuse. Mbali beckles to put her family back together on Wednesday. Makumalo is helpless as Sanele makes a deal with the devil, while Lungelo finds himself a new thrill to chase. Pinda's delusions continue to grow on Thursday. Sanele's crossing of the Rubicon creates seismic changes in his life, while Mbali comes face to face with a new threat. Lungelo commits himself to yet another foolhardy mission on Friday. When it becomes clear Sanele set on a new way of doing business, Mbali makes a tough decision. Amahle risky move, land her and Lungelo in hot water. Pinda's world comes crashing down. Well guys, that's all I have for today. Can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.